So hey guys, and welcome back to the How to Tech Nerd. And today we are gonna see that how can you create thumbnails for your YouTube videos very professionally. So for that you should choose a desktop, a laptop kind of. You should select PC so that you can design your thumbnail very properly and easily and nicely. So for that, in your laptop you should go on any browser. I would suggest you Chrome browser because it's fast, reliable, safe and secure and good. So here, after going browser, search for Canva. After that, go on this Canva link. I'm so sorry for that noise. So let's start it again. So after searching Canva, you should come on here. I will show you again that canva.com. Here en.in means English, and here you will see this kind of templates, and here you should search, you should not search, just see this Instagram post logo, click on this button right side, and here you see YouTube thumbnail 1280 into 720 pixels. Px means pixels, and you have to click on this YouTube thumbnail, and here you will get a new tab and you can design your thumbnail, YouTube's thumbnail here, and it's just instruction. If you want to see you can, but I don't want to, it's the instruction, I will skip this. And here you can see templates. These are the templates which are already designed, which are ready-made, and you can just use it directly, but some are paid, so you have to buy this Canva subscription and then only you can use it. These are elements. It means like different kind of shapes and small pictures which you want to use for your thumbnail. Charts like this kind of icons. Elements are basically icons. And here uploads. If you have an image you want here, you could just upload from your file manager from computer. And here these are photos which you can search for photos. Like I'm gonna search for Instagram. No, let's search for YouTube. And here you got tons and tons of images for YouTube, like you can see. And here you can see like small pro mark. This is for the person who have purchased this, otherwise for free version you can't use this. And here's text. You will, if you want to write something here in different kind of fonts, in different kind of designs, you can here. These are also, some ones are pro, you have to buy it. And these are audio if you want some sound for your, but yeah, obviously it's a YouTube thumbnail, you don't want any video, it should be a photo only. And here are videos, you also don't need that for YouTube thumbnail, so just cut it out. And if you want any background, so you can use that, but I don't think I need background. I don't need any background, so just cut these three last options. And I want text here. Hello, so let's start with YouTube. And here which photo should we select? So I found one, and it's not that good, but it's okay as I'm using a free version, so I won't be able to choose pro templates, pro photos. So I find this good, so I will choose this as thumbnail, as background. And here I will add some text from here. You can also add text, but before I will put my channel's name, which will be in, so I like this one free font, which is like a glitch kind of effect. You can see I have searched glitch, and I love this one, so I will rename it as, so I have put my channel's name, How to Tech Nerd, and I will resize it and make it a little small, and I will place it here a little below like this. I am placing it a little below. Okay, so here I place my text, my channel's name, and here I will write something using this font. I'll add a heading. Here's the heading, and I will customize it, edit it. First I will change the font. I like this Bangers one. I'm using it from long, and I love this one font, so I will change this heading, made a text how to create YouTube channel, but I have to color it too because it looks so bad at this place. So first I will decrease a little bit of size of this text and give it a color of red, and here you can see it's red in color, and this color I'll give create one, which should I give? Purple. Let's check this layer if it looks good or not, and this how to one text I will give different color, which is maybe blue. Okay, this looks okay but not that good, so I will change this color. So I'll do one thing, that I want to separate this, so I'll just cut it out. So I will cut this out and decrease the size of this text to 85. Wait, 85. New block. 85. Done. Shits. Okay, so this is done here, and I will put a little space here how to create, and let's change its color again to something different. No, this is not also looking good. Okay, this looks fine. I will add another heading, YouTube channel, select it, and bangers. So increase this font size, put it here, and put a gap, and make this box touch this, and here I will just, okay, it's in the middle, you have to touch this to make it left, so like this. And I got a pro point plus point of this background, then I got a YouTube icon just between this YouTube and channel, so this looks good. So I will color this YouTube white, and then its background a black color. If we could color the background, then it's really nice. How could we color the background? Whoa, this is not good because there's no option for coloring the background. Okay, let it be. So I will click on for this and effects, and here I will lift this. Look, first I will decrease this 0. Look at here, they will get a shadow type thing, and it will look 3D like this. It got lifted, like you can see the option here, and there are different options. Like I will glitch this, and let's see what happens. Yeah, I find this lift one good, so I would love to use this. And here I will also lift this text, so yeah, 100%. So I have added a new text, new, and here I will increase its size a little bit to 90. Okay, it looks okay. And here I have YouTube channel written, and below something I have to write something too. I will place this text, oh, misplaced this somewhere else, like here, yeah, and put this one a little above, and the YouTube channel should be here only because I want the YouTube between these two, and so we can increase its height and decrease a little bit, Okay, it looks fine. It looks good. No. Okay. Yeah, it looks fine. Where should I place it? Maybe I should wait, let's come in between, place it and rotate it a little bit so that it comes on mobile screen, and it looks fine, I think. Yeah, it looks fine. If it won't work, we will again change this location, and here we will got some new text. So I have added new text for free in laptop, so I will change this colors also. First, let's do the effect thing. Now lift it by 100 intensity, and now, so I think I just have to change one more color and I'm done. I think it's done, and now I will add some more designs, like I will use this circle and change its color to white. So let's change this color to white, and then shift this text a little to right side. I shifted this text, and I will put the circle and here so that it gives a background effect and it looks good. So first reduce the circle size a little bit to get like a full circle, and here I put a little bit of circle here, and I'll relocate this and add a new circle, and this circle also should be white. And maybe you think that it will be the same. No, it's not. I will tell you. Just put it here, and this is transparency. Decrease it a little bit, like how much you want, and I want it till 40 or maybe 46 is good. So okay, now relocate this and it looks good like this. So yeah, it looks nice. I'll place the text here, and again this circle we have to change a little bit its position. Yeah, it looks good, and put it here. And the same thing you have to do in the bottom side, bottom right side. This should be in diagonally, not in a horizontal or vertical. Like if you have already here, so you can't have it here or can't have it here, should be in diagonal, so it should be here. And there will be one more circle, as I told you, that will be with less transparency. So let's relocate this first. Control Z and relocating it here, and decrease the size a little bit, and again it's done. And one more thing, let's relocate it again. We have to make the thumbnail good so that any viewer comes and click our video. So you should work on this thing accurately and precisely. Add one more circle, make it white in color, and then reduce its transparency to 46 here also. There should be a symmetry in video, in the thumbnail, I'm sorry. In the thumbnail there should be a symmetry. It's not like you're just putting anything here and there. It don't looks good. Yeah, this looks a little good. this effect, and relocate this text. Maybe we should increase the size of this text. Okay, so yes, the size is increased, the circles are placed, and this looks good. Now look at this thumbnail, it looks much better than the previous, like before one. It looks much better. And here you have to just download, click on download, and here PNG is suggested, just download in anything, JPG, PNG, but not in PDF, not in video, not in GIF, only JPG or PNG. But here it's written high quality image and it's written small file size image, so we should always download in high quality images. So click on download and it will tell you to sign up, but you don't have to. I'm telling you, don't go for sign up. Look, it already got downloaded. You don't have to go for a sign up and got downloaded. It's just telling to just close it. You don't have to sign up. Keep in mind, you don't have to waste time on signing up. Just do it like this and it's done. So with a bit more of changes, I have put this channel's name from here to here, and I did an exclamation mark, and now this looks perfect and good and clean, neat and clean. So I have downloaded it. You could just download it simply by clicking on download. You don't have to sign up, it will download it automatically. So after that, you have made thumbnail, you have to upload it, you have to put the thumbnail on video. I will show you how we could do it in desktop. So for that, you have to go to YouTube channel, and you have to go to YouTube channel, and after that you will see your channel's logo, your signed in account here. You have to click in that and you click on your channel, and after that customize not, no, you should go directly to YouTube Studio, and here you will see that content, and here you should edit. Here click on the pencil icon, and here you got option below to upload thumbnail. Click on it. After clicking, you will go to a file manager, computer's file manager, and there you will select the file, and by after selecting the file, the image will get uploaded here, and you just have to check it there that it looks perfect, and then save it, and your thumbnail appears here, and this looks much better here. And so our thumbnail got uploaded, placed at the right place, and so the videos is completely edited and done. So this was how you could make thumbnail in Canva or anywhere. It's your choice, but you should make a catchy thumbnail, colorful. That's why you look, I have changed color everywhere. I have tried to put new colors everywhere, but somewhere I have to put the same color, but it looks colorful. Your thumbnail should be colorful, not dull, otherwise people won't click on it. So please make your thumbnail colorful and people will click on it. So okay, this was the video for today, and if you find this video good or thumbnail, please give this video a like, and if you are new on channel, please subscribe. Until then, take care, Tara, bye bye, see you, we will meet in next video.